Oh, this is a really weird camera. Hi, I'm Arthur Bueno, and I'm using my shitty computer to do this intro. And you're watching the Bueno Power Vlog.
Je veux que tu saches.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of the Bueno Power Vlog. I don't know if you can see me here in such low light, but I am heading to Stop and Shop because I'm going to go pick up a couple of things to eat for tomorrow. And today, as I'm recording this, is a Tuesday, and we are going to be having a snowstorm coming up tomorrow. So I figured, let me just go and pack up some stuff, see what I can eat, and then just go from there. I'm probably gonna junk food it. Actually, I don't think I am, but I am gonna try to get some vegetarian grates, some goods, and see what's up from there. You know, I'm kind of surprised that was a success. I mean, me coming home around like 7:20, usually come around 6:30. But just in case, can have a little food to eat and just pig out for a day. If I don't end up working tomorrow morning, we'll just have to see. So it is Wednesday, and it's about 5:27 in the morning, and I need to kind of leave a little early just in case. I have to put some gas in my car and such. Oh God, so early in the morning. But we are about to have another storm come in, like I was saying yesterday while I was getting groceries, and you can see here sort of just a sample of what's to come. And normally I don't know, I would get excited for this kind of stuff, but since I am not sure that we're not gonna be out of work, or we don't have to go to work today, I'm a little upset because I generally had these plans to kind of just go and write music and play video games, to tell you the truth. I actually have a couple of photographs that I need to start sifting through for a new project that I'm going to be collaborating on, but I thought that on this vlog it would be kind of interesting to sort of document this week's shitty weather. So it looks like My job allowed me to kind of get off work early because we're gonna have a shitty storm coming up, and yeah, I mean, which was expected, but you know, we're here now. I'm meeting Jen at the Beachland Tavern, and it's gonna be great. Oh, there she is. Hi.
Of course, my eye doctor's closed, but the answer my call is one.
You got the eggplant parm. You got your cod sandwich with onion. I didn't know you had onion rings.
I'll probably leave that one.
Let me dip it.
I know, I'll put my phone on it.
What's funny about forgetting my phone?
This is nicely breaded.
Yeah, I'm just not answering anyone. It's fantastic. No one's texted me except Raleigh, but I think just because it's going to come.
Yeah?
I got it.
It's good. Traditional mac and cheese right there. No, the one from
It's really bad.
Plan B.
Yeah.
Has like a
Yeah, the noodle, yeah.
Well, that's classic.
Because now it's saying it's not
Ooh, that's good.
More, slow me down.
The hot mac and cheese.
Mike's wife that I yelled at me after. Brazil.
Pretty damn good. It's actually what I was thinking about because of the cold weather. I don't know why. There you go. Not bad. Marinara sauce, the breading of the eggplant, the cheese. I actually like that they use this bread, the sourdough bread. Yeah, instead of a hoagie. I thought it was going to be a hoagie, but this made me feel better. How would you rate that?
I like the salmon sandwich better. Something about the cod, it's such a white fish that you don't really taste anything. So I feel like at times I felt like I was just eating bread.
Essentially,
it doesn't
right?
feel that meaty taste,
Right.
which is fine. I mean, that's what you expect from a white fish, which is what I like.
Mm-hmm.
But if I were to choose the salmon one's better.
I think my sourdough eggplant sandwich is pretty good. The mac and cheese was actually the highlight for me. Because it wasn't like your typical... I mean, it was your typical mac and cheese, how it's supposed to be made, you know?
What was your typical mac and cheese?
It was, right? It was a traditional...
Straight up cheese
and
with
macaronis.
no onion and
It was like, hey, this is no bullshit. This is what it is. Love it.
I felt like mine was more like, I think it was better if it was like fish and chips.
Yeah.
But no, I made it into a sandwich instead.
Well, good job, Beachland Tavern.
Tavern.
Let me know.
Yeah. Not bad. Alright, just saw Jen off. Good little meal. And pretty stoked. Yeah. This place is not bad. The snow is getting worse. So I'm gonna hop into my car and tail it. It's crazy, man. Why is it snowing right now? What a weird week. Really weird. You must see a cool creation. Look at this. Alright, so I am here at this lovely joint called Silk City Coffee, and it's actually my first time here. The atmosphere is pretty cool. Really love the brick and wood theme coloring here. It's lots of energy. It looks like there's a lot of like students here, so we'll just have to see how good the coffee is. Not bad. Americanos here are a little light. Yeah. Silk City Coffee. I like the atmosphere. So far the coffee is very well. Really small. Look at the size of that.
Pricey and small.
Pricey and small. We'll be here for a couple hours. Alright, now we're here at Lucky Taco, which I've never been to before, but she has. Okay. And today, in the special, they have a red chili tofu taco that I'm going to definitely try. Maybe. We'll see. My burrito looks like a pillow. That's her bowl.
It's supposed to be long. Which one you got?
Here's the tomato veggie. Bean tomato. Not bad.
Got 3 amigos.
Got 3 amigos though. We're at California Pizza Kitchen. It's been a long time since I've been here. They're out there slinging the pies. And to many people, I think, you know, obviously with like East Coast like style pizza, you know, some people are very snobbish about very particular about the pizza that they eat. And, you know, you gotta kind of give this joint some credit that their pizzas are pretty good, not bad. I would not. I used to eat it quite a bit, you know, when I was back in California. So me and Jen are gonna go get some pies and then probably call it a night after this. I'm so wired though with coffee. Alright, look at this. This is the artichoke spinach. And this looks pretty good. It's actually been my first time having it here. How's your pizza? Pretty good?
Because I remember it.
The crust is not even that thick. Funny thing is that it's a chain. You said it's pretty good pizza.
I think you have to understand that. Is that the pizza you're used to having? You have to get that out of your mindset. not gonna be the pizza with the sauce and the cheese and the, you know, this is a different kind of pizza. That's what you have to understand. Like this is California style pizza, which is it's good. That means I can be like New York and East Coast and all that. You don't come here to have good pizza.
Yeah.
Come here for the pizza.
We'll come here for different pizza.
Yeah.
It's like sushi. Can I have one?
Oh yeah, I'll slice it.
Okay.
You can't see it. Give them a.
You sure? Here we go. Move your head. I think she's totally right. When you come here to get pizza, don't expect to get New York. Expect to get California. That's the point. You know, it's sometimes people get caught up by the specific crusts and, you know, specific ingredients.
Authenticity.
Yeah, authenticity. But you need to understand is that some things, sometimes it's okay to kind of adjust a recipe, you know, kind of do something experimental, do something different.
It's really good.
It is, yeah, it's definitely good. That's delicious. We're at the bowling lanes, and guess what we're doing?
Oh! I fucked up. I'm annoyed now.
Oh, she got a spare. Oh my God, really?
Was that more?
Yeah, it's 4 again. Thank you for watching, everybody. Make sure to go ahead and hit that like button if you like this video, and if you want videos every Monday, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And as always, thank you for watching the Bueno Power Vlog.